Welcome back to Blind to Brows. Connections are being made.
Let's see how things are going.
Some days, I feel like I'm not filling them in enough. Other days, just too much.
You know, I get it. I had an ex that told me that my eyebrows were too thick, and it's left me self-conscious to this day.
Well, screw her. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Period.
I feel a real connection with Bobby. I just really hope the eyebrows live up to the man.
I need something that is longer. I've been using and I get so disappointed when it doesn't last.
You should try Zero to Brow. It'll take your brows from 0 to 100 and it'll last forever, which also happens to be what I'm looking for in my next relationship.
Should we drop everything that we're doing right this very moment and go get some?
So, do you wax, tweeze, thread?
I'm not afraid to try anything once.
Whoa, you seem wild.
The moment we've all literally been dying to get to.
Carolina, I know we've only had one conversation and I haven't seen your brows, but I'm ready to lock you down. Will you marry me?
Yes!
I really feel like we see eye to eye. It's like no matter the high, the lows, or the wrong shade, I'll always stick beside you. Will you marry me?
I've never had anyone accept the micro things about me, so yes.
She said yes.
Are you seeing this? 0 eyebrows, 2 engagements.
Fingers crossed for the three-peat.
I still don't know what I'm looking for exactly, but I think I made the right decision. Will you marry me? I hope I did.